So you'd like to hook up your coffee maker to the internet? You need a regular old coffee maker with a physical switch that you can do like this, and you leave it in the on position. The smart plug will provide power at the time that you want it to come on using Google or Alexa or whatever. So here we go. There you can see the coffee maker on one side, Google on the other. Hey Google, activate coffee maker. And there's the little green light just came on. Coffee maker. And now it's on. And you just say deactivate to turn it off. And that's how to set your coffee maker up to be a smart coffee maker.